So one of our #1 customer favorites is our cleaning clay. This is going to replace all of your scrubbing products. So think things like Comet, soft scrub, shower cleaner, grout cleaner, tile cleaner, silver cleaner, but you're using one product instead of multiple products. It is food safe and non-toxic, 100% natural, and it smells like lemon. So it's got a little bit of lemon essential oils so that it's fresh and clean. So the clay comes in a big jar like this. When you get it, there's a piece of paper here. You want to peel that off, get rid of that. Comes with a sponge, and you can get it as a kit with our multi-duty chiffonette. So I'm just showing you today the clay. The way this works is you're going to get your clay or your sponge wet, wring it out. You're going to make a little bit of a paste on your sponge. So this jar is super concentrated. This is going to last you for probably a couple of years. A lot of people like to put one underneath their kitchen sink and underneath their master bathroom sink so that you have one in each location to do all of your bathrooms upstairs and your kitchen downstairs. So I've got my sponge sudsed up with clay. I'm going to foam it up a little bit just to dissolve the particles. And then just to show you, I'm just going to clean just like I would any other type of cleaner. It's beautiful on a stainless steel sink. Or if you have a white sink, it takes off all those coffee and wine stains. You can use it on the top of your stove. You can use it inside your oven. You can use it inside your shower. You can actually clean while you're taking a shower so that you are not breathing any toxic fumes. And just in a circular motion, I'm removing all of the stuff in my sink. It's really great to get this inside ring here. So sometimes you get a little bit of residual off the stainless steel, and that is just oxidation that happens with stainless. So not to be alarmed. Rinse your sponge good, wring it out, let it dry out before you close it up. And then I'm just going to rinse the sink. And you can take a chiffonette when you're done and polish this up, but it's going to remove all of the stuff from your sink, and it's going to be absolutely sparkly clean. So that is our cleaning clay, completely safe and natural, and of course all of our products are septic safe.